Anjuman-e-Islam is a name that stands for quality and modern education. A few kilometers from the heart of Mumbai city, in the beautiful locales of Panvel, stands tall an institution with the same vision, Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic College.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Blessed with a donation by Haji Abdul Razak Kalsekar, the college was started in the year 2003 and since then has seen a growth from 35 students to more than 1,000 students in 2011. This stupendous growth is a result of hard work, dedication, and a vision of an educated minority community.
Kalsekar Polytechnic was a very innovative idea. It is a state-of-art institution of its kind. You see the space, the ambience, the faculty, the equipment, everything is managed in a manner that it is to be called Institute of Excellence.
In a short span of 10 years, the college has been awarded ISO 9001-2008.
Countries need today and its youngsters need today is source of survival, source of living with self-respect and honor. And the only source is good technical education.
Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic offers 600 seats in full-time 3-year diploma courses, 240 in mechanical, 180 in civil, 16 electronics, 16 electronics and telecommunications, and 16 computer engineering.
The institute has training and placement department that looks after the training needs of the students.
As of now, the placement scenario is more than 90%. At times it is almost 100%. The top of the companies, you name it, Larsen & Toubro, Tata's for automobile and related, Infosys for your computer and IT, the top of the line companies which are picking you up.
Those who opt for a job at the end of 3 years full-time diploma get about 500,000 per annum salary, which is a dream for a student.
The vision is to reach out and provide high-quality technical education of international standards. The institute has well-equipped library, computer center, seminar halls, various laboratories in different departments, workshops, healthcare center, prayer rooms, and educate facilities for sports, games, and co-curricular activities.
The technical complex at Panvel is a state of art. Technical equipment is concerned, equipment, furniture, laboratories and others are comparable with the best engineering colleges and best schools.
Electronics engineering aims to train engineers as creative designers of electronic products and systems. One of the unique features of Electronics Lab is the Think Lab. The Think Lab is a small research-based lab where students develop indigenous projects on their own. The latest in research is a temperature monitoring device that determines and controls the temperature in air-conditioned rooms. Providing an independent machine for each student to work on, the computer lab is updated to the latest configurations to teach
C, C++, RDBMS, DST, CAN, CAM, Java, and Advanced Java.
Mechanical engineering labs are equipped with latest machines and the facilities are at par with the best of the engineering degree colleges. The various tools and equipments related to carpentry, sheet metal, smithy, and welding are used for studies and demonstrations. CNC Mill Trainer is a one-of-its-kind machine. The numerically controlled machine is unique because of its accuracy. Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic was one of the first to have this expensive machine in its mechanical lab.
The civil engineering program covers topics in concrete technology, advanced surveying, design of steel structure, irrigation engineering, theory of structure, and highway engineering.
Although labs make the core strength of engineering courses, classrooms are as important a part of it. Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic boasts of state-of-the-art classrooms with smart boards, projectors, and comfortable seating arrangements. The faculty is chosen with utmost care, and they are given facilities at par with the best institutions.
In order to achieve our set targets, set objectives, we are consciously training our faculty and staff so that they always remain highly motivated, committed, and involved in proper teaching, learning, research, and practice.
The library at Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic has comfortable studying environment, and students have easy access to 10,600 books.
The first word of Quran is Ikra. Meaning of the word Ikra is read. पढ़ो. उसके नाम से जिसने तुमको पैदा किया.
Anjuman-e-Islam has always taken pride in giving some of the finest cricketers to our country like Salim Durrani and Ghulam Parkar. Although Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic provides modern education of highest quality, but it also believes in preserving the culture and traditions of Islam. There are prayer rooms for daily prayers, and Friday prayers are an integral part of college. The dress code is also followed keeping Islamic values in mind. It is a perfect blend of modern education and traditional values.
Anjuman-e-Islam, the biggest minority trust educational organization in the country today.
Anjuman-e-Islam was started with the intention of providing quality and modern education to the minority community. And since then, it has blossomed as an epitome of rich, quality education.
You are in a polytechnic institute which is your home. You will be taken good care of, and this is the institution I'm sure you are looking forward to. All your desires, all your aspirations will be taken care of.
Myself, Mohammad Ibrahim, I secured 74.92% in my second year.
I'd like to share the credit of my success with my department, teachers, and all the other staff members of this college.
Industrial visits and study trips are organized annually.
Coming to Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnical was one of the greatest decisions that I have made in my life.
The faculty over here helped in truly way to guide the students.
Proud to be a student of this institute, great institute.
कॉलेज में न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ की जाती है जिसकी वजह से स्टूडेंट लोग को कोई भी चीज़ अंडरस्टैंडिंग के लिए बेटर होता है।
अल्लाह का शुक्र करता हूँ कि उसने मेरे डिप्लोमा यहाँ से कंप्लीट किया।
Adapting itself to the changing technological environment with the highest ethical values as the inner strength, Abdul Razak Kalsekar Polytechnic marches to be the best in the state.